American Literature, Unit 3, Henry David Thoreau. Henry David Thoreau was an American naturalist, essayist, poet, and philosopher, a leading transcendentalist. He is best known for his book Walden, a reflection about simple living in natural surroundings, and his essay Civil Disobedience, an argument for disobedience to an unjust state. He was born on 12th July 1817 and he was died on 6th May 1862, and he was educated at Harvard College in USA. He was influenced by the writers below: Nathaniel Hawthorne, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Charles Darwin, Aristotle. What is Henry David Thoreau known for? He is an American essayist, poet, and practical philosopher. Henry David Thoreau is renowned for having lived the doctrines of transcendentalism as recorded in his masterwork. He was also an advocate of civil liberties, as evidenced in the essay Civil Disobedience, Obedience, which was published in the year 1849. Who is Henry David Thoreau and what did he do? Henry David Thoreau began writing nature poetry in the 1840s with poet Ralph Waldo Emerson as a mentor and friend. In 1845, he began his famous 2-year stay on Walden Pond, which he wrote about his masterwork Walden. What were Henry David Thoreau's beliefs? Thoreau emphasized self-reliance, individuality, and anti-materialism. Self-reliance, individuality, and anti-materialism. Sharply questioned the basic assumptions of the way men lived. Transcendentalism proved to be the intellectual force that charged Thoreau's imagination to write about the possibilities of an ideal existence for men. What does transcendentalist mean? A philosophy that emphasizes a prior condition of knowledge and experience, or the unknowable character of ultimate reality, or that emphasizes the transcendent as the fundamental reality. My dear students, hope you understood about Thoreau's biography. We'll see it in the next video. Thank you.